eden so adom na dom ye nwomasua no a na ye ba be di nwomasua ho enkommo na anopa yi manya Young Executive School empanifo ewo ha na Young Executive School ya Onua Francis ya akofa bai so no out in the title no educationist aside oye tax practitioner no osai no osai ohene positions in the doors was I a chartered accountant and I'm person mechanic into the Nana fancy her no pay. And I'm here miniaba SL and so ha on a year administrator at my Young Executive School, Kaswa Opekuma Junction, roadside wa Cape Coast, Ombohogui, Omwaba. Obapa, I'm watching. More fed over to more for pa. Nana also on kwaso. I mean shall pass so nim the own fan shell. Now we treat mu ama asu bia so. I mean shall. Yeah, any yanka your motto na you see a moto na education today, leaders tomorrow. And no.
Straight ambassador to Ghana or Baho. Okay. Hey, Muscu the best.
The best.
Moto yes, education today, Nano Soka say leader tomorrow.
Wow. Enti ene menko ma memra ohodaroma Young Executive School ene so ba yenya say
mfidu numne nti be 15 years anniversary
enti wo chen Onua Francis
only senior or the best school in Ghana so far.
Wow.
Yes, yes, school 15 years. Yeah, did 15 years. Nti this year e be di this academic year e be di 15 years anniversary.
Wow. And the mama ko admi hoy no fear mfam ya kan Young Executive School no a et senti and obatan a wo hwe yen sabe also ode ne ba no eba school mo ho
ya ane pe me da se teacher etie for bia ne Young Executive School staff say wo ho a omma school no etumpon Young Executive School ba yen classroom a there was spacious classroom. We have not less than more than 25 students in a class. Cute. Your television or class for audiovisuals. Chum now we share evidence. Your projector our classrooms. I will say your projector, your projector.
Okay.
You are over 11 buses. I applied different routes. Obi nkom ma me for bi fa no nko obi basis bebre obi bia e ba ne ye feeding so a ye di both continental and local.
Tisi Onua say dey Onua for
yankasa ye wo ye farms.
Enwa nana be kan
yankasa wo ye farms. Ye di local fufuo gobe. Ye di ni nyina o be continental so fried rice. E di ni nyina bi wo homo. Ye ba ne ye boarding facilities so a.
E no so mo boarding.
Ye wo boarding. Wow. There were ultra modern body facility bia. They say about the secrets in their own. Ye sick a sepa November just next month here. Ye betiano. Ye mo bibia oba ye boarding houses one your rooms air convenience, serene environments. Ye gym kwala from 3 years and above or boarding house. Or takwa or kumase baby Young Executive. Nana. Hey. Na suku ketwa kra na wo dey Young Executive. Et also e dey na ma wo sa edino.
Yeah, we should you see ma bibia ne foundation is the most important. So we see abrosan na Ghana dey see abrosan short no kwa bucha e wa pa Dubai hono kwara go Dubai ko hwe ngom ko hwe ndi ye hwe din na no ye train nkofo a wo be executive tomorrow tiji anche Muhammad executive wa executive team kola na ye train wo ndi ye che obi ayo obi betumi aye headu obi betumi aye farming obi betumi aye entertainment ndi moye beauty contest the most beautiful contest our Ghana in na ndi executive media chamoye media photography yes ye mo wa ye executive ndi nkola ni train no
gumi mo tete wo mo a mbenyine abe future leaders no
yes ye man wa dwene ko gyan se metumi aye leader yes man wa dwene ko gyan se wo betumi aye leader won dwene so bi be leader wo ye header no one ye tailor you are to butum pon
wow Young Executive School nti edina no
young executive school na actually yes. Yes, we can do.
Okay.
Yes, we can do everything. Yes, we can promote ourselves. Yes, we can build our nation. Nti why the time will be boy we executive. We are small boy we executive. Nti unama nti acho ho we are executive and we are proud that we are executive. Yes, we are. Nti mo fano nama ashi wo ti.
Muti ya boto o madwun to na ma yekuntan.
Oye kuntan.
Aye executive na ekono. Oye young boy executive.
Oye executive because they don't koi. Eko Malaysia. They don't ko Abu Dhabi. They don't ko Kenya. They don't go Singapore. Ne hwe executive mo ye there. No mo hwe mo brother woman. Sir. And hunti ne tundi education today, leader tomorrow. It moves with the executive.
Wow. And I also I here fan.
Your Kaswa. We need back Quantum so Opekuma Junction on your right hand side. Your building can see a green, can see a pan, or Quan Hope. But me a friend see 0249 0249 415088. Okay. 0249 415088. And now so says 0561 809015 0561809015 and 020 no so 0208196108 o friend tambia ye be jo
admission course to
see kwa oba ye be
from
3 years in the boarding house and 1.5 day. Yeah, running daily boarding. Okay. And so for boarding 3 years and above, day near 1.5 year. Which must start to crunch.
Money that's of a
and then so women say, more for no bar, and I'm so future executive into one number. Say executive.
You are me matrons and now me wine.
Yeah, say, yeah, no, okay, ye gumiomo, into your mom and son right from preschool level. Your chomo pastries, tie and dye making, beading. And in time when we young executive school, no kind of certificates, all right. Also, could and son Juma, I'll bet to their body.
Oh, why are they more to 1 year pa?
And in just some cases, say, I'm some say room. Nti ye wa so dan kese a mo fa bompaye na ye wo kremu most ye wo most most nti kola nso ko bom
nti nkabofo nso edu omo da no mo so
ko bompaye ho nti abofa no onyi na senya mesumbo no mu ha onye
basabasa na security te say wo ho
there was CCTV cameras, baby bia, both dormitories, classroom, school compound, baby bia, CCTV cameras. So your security personnel, agent gates, you better check in and out. Okay. It was very tight. The security checks very very tight. Classrooms, obia or camera classroom. You monitor the classrooms, and the dormitories.
These are about you are at peace.
You are safe. Bia, okay. Oh, young as
na cars no so ye cars no cars na ye de na school buses we ha lecture sa
sister master to Ghana Siamono Vinga oba last 2 weeks oba last 2 weeks o shake and they say what mo buses is neat mo school ni we chima Ghana we chima Togo we chima Bibia mo school is the best.
Wow.
Okay. Engineer also is the most beautiful, very you see the word very beautiful. Yes.
And Minister of Education so ba ho no.
Minister of Education yes. We na ba ho. We na ba ho. And na o ba ho sa e da na o kan say boys dormitory no ha yes in fofo no. British style. Wow. E da 200 to see a what. Yen sin short one we sin room hotel and so no 5-star hotel
and so no a chain say ho dan dem or dem
free na sisi aso nsu hide nti ye boho nti tembia no je say ye benya nsu aye ejuma and we are also role model to them. For example, leader na ya ba chi no he ya onye ba ko onye minu nti efe na tu ya chen abrabo me describe me ho chiro nti wo huma na oni age
why are they na me had me kra ga wa bre no ase nti sa mo hwe no mo so wasia mo
nti ko fia na say woman bi so say director ho de minja yo na what me you director kedin komo ye hold meeting with Polano.
Oh.
Nature one on Tregum as an executive man. And the one on Trina, a consumer on ye, one on take minute. And the Chencorano, how who hold meetings.
And you were aside addition, you were extracurricular activities. Yes, also engaging Colano. A bit cadets, you train your more taekwondo, your regimental band, set of band in neighborhood, yet Chen Colano. Sketchy name. Saquano will drop percent mission, a free footballers woman, nay free. Spinning, DJ. Television performance.
Yeah, Francis. Yeah, Francis. Yeah, number to interview for the
0249 415088 0249 415088 056 1809 015 056 1809 015 and 020 819 6108 020-819-6108.
Okay, yeah, that's it. And na na fancy here. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, better so say. Dako munche da mehwe.
Yeah, be for kids. Me director. So be ba ho.
Obo
nti yeah, be muni ha, yeah, the better ata mo akwara mo ga se yenya aba.
E be dwane. Yeah, yeah, ready.
Enu ano no.
Na wo ba akwara no umbe show.
Enu ano no, me judi. Nti e fancy ha. Na shanon so say da me no e ba so adaroma. Nti wo de hwe we bra sesi na me wo interview ba ko bi nso wo ho a me de to so ye me kwaba